Hey everyone, welcome back to BMW Announcement. Today we're diving into the high-performance world of the BMW M4 Competition M xDrive. Buckle up because this is going to be an exciting ride. Oh, and before I forget, click the bell and subscribe button for more videos and updates. The most exclusive model in the new generation BMWM lineup for the high-end mid-size market is the BMW M4 Competition M xDrive. Dynamic perfection is ensured by its M xDrive all-wheel drive system and 6-cylinder inline engine with 510 horsepower. A new panel bow soft-top roof combined with iconic M design elements paints a picture of a high-performance sports vehicle with striking good looks, one that is especially striking when driven with the roof open. Without waiting a second, the new M4 M xDrive demonstrates its dedication to unique driving enjoyment and racing-inspired features. LED units are used as standard in the narrow headlights to produce both low and high beams. As an option, adaptive LED headlights with BMW laserlight can be purchased. The new M4 M xDrive is characterized by some other distinctive design features, such as its powerfully flared wheel arches, M side gills that are neatly integrated into the front side panels, and its prominently extended side sills, which, when combined with the parts that attach the front and rear aprons, create a black band that encircles the entire vehicle. An optional M carbon exterior kit is also offered. Through an 8-speed M Steptronic gearbox with drive logic, the engine distributes its output. With M xDrive's improved traction, this performance skill set results in incredible acceleration times. The new M4 M xDrive accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and from rest to 144 miles per hour in 13.1 seconds. The electronically limited top speed is increased with the package from 155 to 174 miles per hour. Let's discuss the chassis technology and body stiffness specific to each model. Superior steering precision, neutral steering behavior even at the maximum, and a linear buildup of lateral forces across the whole range of lateral acceleration are the new M4 M xDrive's standout handling characteristics. Even in the most intense driving conditions, the high torsional stiffness of the body structure and chassis mountings provides the ideal foundation for precisely controllable handling. Come with me inside. M-specific control/operation system and M carbon bucket seats. The new M4 M xDrive's interior combines the M's signature flair for racing with a modern premium atmosphere. The M-specific gearshift lever, red highlights, and leather steering wheel with shifting paddles help the driver focus intently on the thrilling driving experience ahead of them. Standard features include extended merino leather trim and electrically adjustable and heated M sport seats. Optional features include seat ventilation and, for the first time, neck warmers. The new M carbon bucket seats with heating capabilities are a very appealing feature of the options list. The setup button on the center console is part of the M4 M xDrive's M-specific control/operation system. This offers easy access to the M xDrive, engine, chassis, steering, and brake system settings. One of the M buttons on the steering wheel can be used to call up or store one of the 2 overall car configurations. On the other hand, the M Drive Professional option is intended for usage on a track. It includes the M Drift Analyzer and M Lap Timer, which record very aggressive driving maneuvers in addition to M traction control. The M mode button is also located on the center console's control panel by default, in order to provide a driving experience appropriate for the current circumstance and consistent with the car's identity. This can be utilized to modify the responses and features of the driver assistance systems, as well as the displays in the instrument cluster and head-up display. The M Racetrack package is another option that may be chosen. It lowers weight by about 25 kg when compared to cars with standard specifications. Included in this package are M carbon bucket seats, weight reduction M light alloy wheels with semi-slick tires as an option, and M carbon ceramic brakes. Included as standard equipment in the new BMW M4 M xDrive is the fully digital display cluster of the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, the cloud-based navigation system BMW Maps, and the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. The availability of driving assistance technologies has been greatly increased, which is another indication of the technological advancements made since the previous generation. The most significant new features include the reversing assistant, a feature of the optional parking assistant, the optional driving assistant professional steering and lane control assistant with active navigation function, and emergency lane assistant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, leave a comment below on what car you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, and keep your eyes on the road. Catch you in the next episode.